why they were asking questions, like what kind of questions they were asking, what the starting of the surah is explaining to us.
Um,
Hmm?
and they were like questioning the Day of Judgment.
They were questioning about day of judgment. Okay. Uh, okay. So Arush, uh, what kind of signs Allah Subhanahu wa Taala explained in this surah? Arush.
Arush is in the bathroom.
Okay. So Armab, yes. What kind of signs Allah Subhanahu wa Taala explained in this surah?
Like that, like we should like, um,
What Allah Subhanahu wa Taala said, what He created, and how to ponder on the things that these are the creation of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala.
like
Signs to remember Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, whatever you can say.
he talks about um uh like how like die like it talks about it talks about like the news of like the day. It talks about like how what not what's gonna happen, but like about the Day
Okay,
of
I'm
Judgment.
I'm giving 1 minute. I'm giving 5 7 minutes to all of you. Just revise your notes quickly.
I just came and I can't find my notes right now.
Quickly start revise first your notes because I just don't want to spend time on if and buts. Ushba, you were not ready. Revise your notes quickly. Armab, revise your notes quickly. Shaman, revise it. I'm giving you 5 minutes. It's 5:20, and I will start asking question at 5:25. Quickly. Are you done? Are you guys done? Can you hear me?
Yes.
So why you guys are not answering me? Are you guys done?
Yep.
Okay, what about others? Quickly.
Yep.
Shamil, Ushba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just start. Okay, what is the meaning of Naba?
The news.
All of you, unmute your mic. What is the meaning of Naba?
The
The
news.
great
The
news.
The news. Okay. Okay, in the first three ayat, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explaining? From here till here. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is explaining? Armab.
Like they're talking about how like the people of the Quraysh, they thought it was like really like hard for them to understand. And then like one day they're like they're gonna be like resurrected and they're gonna be questioned on like by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and like that day is obviously called day of like the day of judgment or al Qiyamah, and they were talking about it, and but like no one could have like no one like didn't no one understood, and even if Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam explained it, they still couldn't understand.
Okay, very good. Okay, then what was the answer of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when they were not ready to understand? Ushba.
Allah said, it's okay, you will come to know one day when it happens. And then again, he said it 2 times
Why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said it 2 times?
to emphasize what he was saying.
Okay, great. What for emphasize. Okay, so Afan. Next question is from you. Okay, so what kind of signs Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us in the next few ayats?
In this ayah, it says about the mountains, because if they didn't make the mountains, the earth would have be shaking. It would not be stable.
No, you have to start from the beginning. Like first Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about okay, I need quick answers. I will
Like,
not repeat my questions 2 3
made the
times.
earth,
Yeah. And then
and he made the mountains,
and then
and he had created you in like 2 pairs.
and then
And then he made your sleep and rest.
okay, all right. Now connect it all together quickly.
He made the earth and the mountains, and he has created you in 2 pairs, and he has made your sleep.
Okay, same thing for Shamil. Yes. Shamil?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, what ayahs?
Same.
Um,
From here till here.
um, Allah gives us night, and because of that, we can sleep, we can rest.
No, there is no talk about the night. From here till here. Allah talks about talks about,
the earth,
then,
mountains
then,
that they've been created in pairs.
and then.
He has made Allah has made rest, made sleep so we can rest.
Okay, and now connect all together quickly.
So Allah made the earth
Mm-hmm.
and the mountains that were created in pairs and
Mhm.
made sleep so we can rest.
Okay. So my next question is, all of you, unmute your mic and answer me. What is the meaning of Ard? Arda,
The earth,
The earth.
the earth. Very good. What is the meaning of Jibal?
Mountains.
the
mountains.
mountains,
Very good. What is the meaning of Khalaq?
we have created.
Created. Okay. What is the meaning of Naum?
Sleep.
Your,
Your sleep.
your,
Sleep.
your, oh, yeah.
Okay. What is the meaning of Azwaj?
Pairs.
Pairs. Okay. So let's move. Okay. So Kamil, join the summary from here till here quickly.
From where to where?
From the beginning till here.
Oh yeah, from the beginning. Okay, so from the beginning to down there.
And all of you, please listen carefully. I can ask any question, any back questions from anyone. Okay, so listen carefully. Yes.
So from the beginning and to like ayah 9, so 1 to 9. So at first it talks about how the people in Quraysh, they didn't understand about the day of Qiyamah and that they will get resurrected, questioned by Allah. And you know, even if the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam explained to them, they couldn't understand. And then when we go to the next part, Allah's talking about that if you don't understand about the concept, then like Allah made the earth as a bed
No,
basically.
no,
So,
no, no,
so
no. First, what Allah replied to them when they were
oh
confused
yeah,
and they were asking.
Allah, I think Allah said something like, if you don't understand a concept, then have I not like made the earth as a bed?
Mm-hmm.
So like then Allah said like you can like basically like do anything, like explore, build your stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And like Allah also made like the mountains as pegs, which means like it keeps the earth stable.
Mm-hmm.
And Allah sent like two genders,
Mm-hmm.
which is
Good.
pairs.
Okay.
So yeah.
And
Allah like made you sleep so like you rest.
very good. That the only thing you missed is when they were asking questions. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Kalla siyalamun thumma kal yasamun. No problem. If you don't understand the concept, one day you will come to know when you will see with your own eyes. Okay? And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala start explaining the signs, okay, by which we can reach to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So okay, Arush, from here till here.
Do I say the ayah or
No, just the explanation. And all of you listen carefully. I can ask anyone to explain one more time. Yes.
okay? So ayah 9.
From here till here. Can you see my screen?
Yeah,
Yeah.
now I can.
Okay.
Before we couldn't. Okay.
From here till here. So the easy way is always have a glance on the meaning and then everything will be in your mind, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, don't take so much time. Like I have to do two new things. Yeah.
Yes.
In this ayah, Allah is stating that like, so if I go back here, okay. In this ayah, Allah is stating that He has
Always
created.
try to find the keywords, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
So in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is stating to the people that He has created the night, which makes us cover the day.
Mm-hmm.
Night, layl, and nahara, the day.
Mm-hmm.
And He's saying that without him, we wouldn't be able to sleep or our body wouldn't be able to move. And he also made us the 7 heavens, the strong 7 heavens.
Okay, good. Okay, yes, Shamil. Same thing.
How Allah made night
Mm-hmm.
and day,
Mm-hmm.
and He's also made the 7 heavens.
Okay, very good. Let's move on. Okay, my one more question. Like, how many of you think when you go out and see the daytime, nighttime, or when you see the, the sky, did you ever think in your life that, oh, Allah created all this? Or you just go random outside and then come back every single time? Quickly, all of you. Hmm? Yes or no? You can type your answers. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes? Shamil, Kamil, Afan, Vishwa,
Wait, what was the
Imam.
question again?
So whenever you go outside and you see sun is going down, moon is coming, and day is going, night is coming, and then you see towards the sky, did you ever feel or did you ever think that, okay, this is created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?
Yeah.
Because you know why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying all these signs in the Quran? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying you can reach by watching this sign to me. So if you are going outside and you are not pondering, if you are not thinking about the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah has created, whenever you are watching mountains, skies, earth, then 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 that means you are not looking toward the sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's not just happened, okay? Allah has created everything for some reason, right? So our job is whenever fall come, the leaves are falling, we should think, okay, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is doing this, okay? So inshallah, let's move on. Okay, so from here till here, till here. Ushba, quick.
Ayah 16.
From here till here.
So Allah is saying that we made a lamp for shining, like the lamp meaning the sun, and we have sent down the rainy clouds that send down water to us, and that we have like vegetation and stuff to eat that is produced from the gardens. And the decision is a fixed time.
What kind of decision? Okay, Kamil, from here till here. And what kind of decision, Kamil?
Let me. Okay. So the ayah about like the fixed time you talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, that one talking about like that the day of judgment is just a fixed day. It cannot be changed. Whenever Allah says that, whenever Allah like tells like um angel Israfil to blow the trumpet, he has to blow it and there's no like delay or anything. It's just like on that time, that second, it doesn't get delayed or anything.
Okay, so
Whatever
when
Allah
we
says.
will blow the trumpet, what would we say in Arabic? What is the perfect word? Nafqa, okay? Nafqa, blow, okay? And that is called sur, okay? And there, as we discussed, there are two types of sur, 1 and 2. So First time when he will blow the trumpet, everyone will die. And second time when he will blow the trumpet, everyone will get out from the grave and start running towards, toward the ground. And that will be the exact, scenario of the day of Qiyamah. Okay, so very good. So over here, if we review from here till here, so basically Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created a lamp which is shining, and that lamp means the sun. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created the rain, and lots of water from the rain, and this rain help the vegetation to grow. Okay, so the previous ayah is connecting with the next ayah. This rain, this water help to produce the corn vegetation in the gardens with a thick growth. Okay, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, after explaining all the signs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, but keep this in mind, this is all temporary. Whatever signs I have explained to you, this is all temporary, because in the next few surahs you will learn what's gonna happen next after the surah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is changing the conversation from here. So in Quran, most of the time one conversation finish, second start, second finish, third start, right? So there is no comma, no these kind of things. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala suddenly changed the conversation, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, rather than explaining the signs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala switched the conversation toward, like, okay, the decision time is fixed. This, whatever you are watching in this world as a sign, that will be no more after some time. Okay, so a day is fixed. After that, surah gonna be blown, the trumpet gonna be blown, and when the trumpet will be blown, fata'atuna faja means you will come out from your grave and you will start coming in pairs, right? And that will be the day. وَفُتِحَتِ السَّمَاءُ فَكَانَتْ أَبْوَابًا. Yes, Afan, start explaining the scenario from here.
19 and 19.
Look at the ayah rather than number. Otherwise, you will always remember with the number.
The heavens will be opened as a gate.
Okay, so the sky which we are watching nowadays, okay, the blue sky having stars and sun and moon, there will be no more sky or moon and sun. You will read in the next few surahs that there will be no more sky, no more sun, moon, and stars on the sky. What will happen? The door will become, there will be a door on the on the sky, which you can easily see. Okay, and then from here till here. So whose turn? Armab. Till here. Okay,
Okay.
from here till here.
So like these ayats like talk about so like that's these ayats are telling us that like once like angel like Israel will blow like the first trumpet, everything's gonna be like gone, like wiped out, like all like the mountain trees. It's gonna explain how like the powerful like trumpet angel Israel like will blow, and it will keep like it will like it's gonna look like something like when you get close to it, it's gonna like disappear. And like once everyone goes to like, and it also talks about like once everyone goes to like Jahannam, like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explains like that like everyone who goes to Jahannam will face like a big like ambush. Like
Okay, over here I want to explain one more thing which I forgot explaining when we were doing this surah. Okay, so inshallah add that in your notes. Inna jahannama kanan mirsada. Mirsada means ambush. Ambush means someone who is waiting for you to trap, right? So basically this ayah is talking about what is written in the tafsir. It's this ayah is I hope you all know what is Pul Sirat, right? The bridge that is called Sirat, Pul Sirat, right? Pul Sirat is a bridge, okay? And this is a bridge, okay? And this bridge is very thin, like a hair, okay? And right and left, everywhere will be so many angels who will be waiting for us, okay, just to trap us, okay. So the entire whole bridge, every single person has to cross this bridge to go in Jannah, okay. So every single person, and the Jannah will be here, okay, the Jannah will be here, and and the angels will be sitting here, okay. The person, when he will start walking on this Pule Sirat, the bridge of Sirat, okay, the name of this bridge is Pule Sirat, and it's very thin, like a sword, okay, this much thin, like a sword, and just like a hair, okay. And when a person start walking on this, and it will be, a blade kind of stuff on this, and it will be very sharp, pointy, and this kind of. And when a person start walking on this, because this is very thin bridge, right? So the person who have the certificate to go in Jannah can only able to cross this, and they will go in Jannah. But the person who do not have the certificate that he has passed, when he will start crossing this Pul Sirat, when he will start crossing this bridge, so he will fall down. He will not be able to cross somewhere, either here or here or here. He will fall down, and when he will fall down, basically the angel will ambush him. Angel will be waiting for them to trap, and the angel will trap. So the angel of Jahannam will be here. Angel of Jannah will be here as well. But angel of Jannah will let them go, the one who has certificate that they have passed, and they had more good deeds, and they have passed, and the angel of Jahannam will cut them, like they will catch them, and they will fall down. They will not be able to cross the bridge, okay. So inshallah, Mirsada means ambush, but where is this place, where is this ambush? This is actually at the Pule Sirat, like the bridge which is going to Jannah, okay. للطاغين مآبا لابثين فيها أحقابا. Yes, okay. Armab, continue.
Oh, so wait, what was okay. Yeah, so I was saying the Bata Mirage, right? I
Yeah.
think. Yeah, okay. So it's gonna look like something when you get close to it, and then just gonna like disappear. And oh yeah, and then there's also I was talking about the ambush. I was like, so everyone that goes to Jahannam is gonna face a big ambush,
Mhm.
and like this
No,
technically
not
like
in Jahannam. The one who is going to Jannah will face the ambush, okay?
oh yeah. But the one who's like going to Jannah is gonna like face the ambush, and it's like talking. It basically means that people will like suffer in the ambush, like meaning like the ambush is like is like a surprise attack. Like the meaning of ambush is like a surprise attack. So like and then this aisle like oh and then I 22 like this like I is also like saying that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has like a special place for like the people that don't accept
Mm-hmm.
don't accept the rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala,
Mm-hmm.
and like basically they're just like away from the straight path,
Mm-hmm.
and like the straight path like will always like bring us to like Jannah, but if we don't we'll go to Jahannam.
Mm-hmm.
And then uh and then it
And
talks
Shamil,
about
be ready after Armab, it's you, okay? Yes.
then it talks about like how in like so many years, and like a pretty like can I talk about Ahkaba like like Ahkaba, or like it's like it means like a pretty like long time and like so many years, And like 1 year is in Qiyam. 1 year in the Qiyamah is equal to like 80 years. Like you don't know how many years you're gonna stay in Jahannam because like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is using like the word Aqaba like here, which is like plural and defines like it like the definition of it is like so many years.
Very good, mashallah. Because if it's written that the period is called aqaba and the period is of 80 years, doesn't mean that after 80 years they will come out. Because one aqaba will finish, one period of time will finish, then another will start. When another will finish, then another will start. So it will go on and on and on and on. The aqaba never finished. Okay, this age is never finished. Might be the question come in the mind. Okay, one day the period of time will finish and they will be moved to Jannah. No, so the one who recite kalima have chances that the person will move to the Jannah one day after finishing his punishment as a aqab, like after ages when he stay in Jahannam, and one day because of reciting kalma he can go to the Jannah. But for the other people, they will one aqab will finish, another will start. One will finish, another will start. One aqab will finish, another will start. That is why Allah is using in a plural form. Aqab is singular and aqab is plural. So it will never ending. Okay. Very good. Okay. So inshallah from here till here. Yes.
So I
Shamil.
can- okay.
Shamil.
Yeah.
Yes. From here till here.
Yeah. Um.
What's gonna happen in Jahannam with them?
Um.
Hmm?
They will not be able to taste.
What?
What? Drinks.
And any cool thing, okay?
Yeah, and except the boiling water
Mhm.
and dirty wounds.
Okay, so they will. Okay, who else? What? I heard someone voice. I want to explain. Whose voice was it? Arush, is you?
No.
Yes.
It
Who
wasn't
said?
us.
I want to explain.
Oh,
Arush?
is it
Not us. No.
Huh?
us?
Not us.
No, you. Okay. Afan, was it you?
No.
Okay. So yes, Ushba, from here till here.
So the first ayah, لا يذوقون فيها بردا ولا شرابا.
Mm-hmm.
There'll be no taste,
Mm-hmm.
and the drinks that they get won't be cool
Mm-hmm.
in Jahannam. They will only get boiling water and with dirty wound discharges.
From where this dirty wound discharge will come?
From the people in the Jahannam,
Very
from
good.
burning bodies.
Okay, very good. And then جزاهم وفاقا إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will tell to them.
Allah will say, whatever you do in this world, you'll get like, where is it? Jazam. Oh, so you will get
Reward,
like
right? Recompense means reward. So
full
whatever
reward.
you did, yeah, you are getting the exact reward. Okay, what you have done in the world. Okay.
Yeah. So whatever you like, if you do good, you'll get good reward. If you do bad, you'll get bad reward. And then
Good. وَكَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا كِذَّابًا. And what they were doing basically, why they were in Jahannam? Because
they denied the signs and they thought that like this
what
day
signs? What
the
signs?
signs.
The signs you learn above. okay? About the night, about the day, about the earth, about the mountain, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on. Arush, it's you, okay? So Arush and then Kamil, okay? So yes, Arush, start from here quickly.
Where ayah 29.
Yeah, but from next time you guys will not write ayah number. You will write the Arabic, okay? Otherwise, every single time you will just connecting the ayat number with the translation, okay? So it's better write Wakulla Shayna Sayna Kitaba. So you know, okay, this is the explanation of this ayah rather than writing the numbers, okay? Even
Okay.
if you feel like Arabic is hard, like write in Roman, like Wakulla Shayna Sayna Kitaba, W-A-W-A, K-U-L, Kul, L-A-La, like you can write in this way, okay? But write the ayat, not the number, okay? In the next surahs. Yes, quick.
Okay, so ayah number 29 is of kind of an important thing that's going on.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, we have two angels on our shoulders, and the right angel takes writes down all of our good deeds, and the left angel write down all of our bad deeds.
Mm-hmm.
And on the day of judgment, all of the books of all of our past sins, our good deeds, will be given to an office.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And the thing about these books is that you cannot deny anything. So whatever you did has been recorded. So you can't deny that you did something bad, or yeah, you're caught. You're exposed.
Oh, very good. Okay, the next ayah.
So taste.
And we will read the detail of this in Surah Mutakalim, inshallah. Okay. The recording is tough. Okay, where this book will go, where Allah Subhanahu wa Taala will keep this book, what gonna happen. So the next detail will be in Surah Qiyamah. Oh, sorry, Surah Mutakalim. Yes.
Um,
What Allah Subhanahu wa Taala is telling us, will I decrease the azab on you? Like the punishment will be go lower and lower every single day?
no. So every single day the punishment will also keep on increasing. It'll be bad torment, like
Okay, very
torture.
good. Very good. Okay, so Kamil. So the topic now changed and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is now start telling about the Jannah people. Okay, so from here till the end, till Jannah. Yes.
You called me?
Yeah. إن للمتقين مفازة حدائق وأعناب وكواعب أترابا وكأسا دهاقا لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا. Okay, quick.
Okay. Um, pre where you moved it? Where is from? Oh yeah, 31.
Yeah,
From
from
31.
here. Yeah.
So 31 is saying that like I'm pretty sure like the righteous people
Mm-hmm.
they will go to Jannah
Very good.
and like get grapes with gardens, like very nice gardens.
Yeah. So now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling about the signs or the rewards they will get in Jannah. Not the signs, the reward they will get in Jannah for their success, for their victory. Okay. So yes,
Okay.
quickly.
And then and then um then like once everyone like enters Jannah and stuff, like there will be like buxom girls, like everyone would be the same age, and like a cup which is and a cup full. I don't really know what that means. Cup
Cup
full.
of wine. Waka'san dehaqa, the you know, because in the dunya, in the world, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said you are not allowed to drink alcohol, right? But
Yeah.
at the Qiyamah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you a cup full of drinks, which is alcohol, which is this. But that alcohol will be not as, as toxic and as bad as we are watching in this world, but that will be something, beyond the expectation. Okay. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala These two things Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said you are not allowed in this dunya, right? You are not allowed in this world. You are not allowed to hang on or making girlfriends and boyfriends. You are not allowed to drink alcohol. These two things are absolutely not allowed, right? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling this good news that you will be allowed these two things in Jannah. While you are not, I am not allowing you in this world, don't worry. I will allow you at the day of Qiyamah because you will stay, stay away from these things because of me, and at the day of Qiyamah you will get it. Okay? And next, La yasma'una fiha lagwan wala kizaba. What type of talks they will do in Jannah? Will they hear any kind of lie, or what kind of talks it will be in Jannah? Shamil, what kind of talks they will do in Jannah?
They will be talking about rewards and gifts.
They will not talk.
Oh, they will not talk or lie.
They will not talk about any kind of lie. They will not talk about any, the unnecessary stuff. Okay, and this will jazam rabbika atwan hisaban. This will be the gift. Okay, this will be the reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay. Now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying Rabbis samawati wal ardi wa ma bainahuma rahmanu la yamlikuna minhu khitaba. This is very important. Like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that I am the Lord. I created skies. I created earth. Now I am the most gracious. Okay. Will Allah allow anyone shamil? Will Allah allow anyone that they start talking at the day of Qiyamah without Allah's permission? Shamil, quickly. La yamlikuna minhu khitaba. Allah will allow them to talk each other, or they will talk with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, why you are punishing this person, why you are not giving punish to this person, why you are giving this person more reward, why you are giving me less reward. Are we allowed to say these kind of things to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Shamil, I cannot hear you. Okay, Kamil, you?
Yeah. Okay. So
What kind of, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowed at the day of Qiyamah? Will Allah allow anyone to talk?
so like nobody would be allowed to talk at the day of judgment. No, say like Allah's like saying like you did this or that. You won't be able to talk. You won't be able to like try to argue or anything. And for the angels won't be able to talk either unless Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala lets them talk.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will allow them, okay?
Yeah.
And when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will allow them, then they will speak only right thing, okay? They will
Yeah.
not be able to say any wrong thing, any misconception, anything, okay? And this ruh means Jibreel alayhi salam. This malaika means angel. So what they gonna do at the day of Qiyamah? What they gonna do at the day of Qiyamah? Remember I told you that they will make a line and everyone will stand and waiting for their turns, right?
Yeah.
So even the angels will be standing. Safa means in a row. Even angels will be standing in a row, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So let's move on. Okay. So angels will be standing there, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying in the end that if you believe that this is true, if you believe this is right, this they're gonna come. So why don't you start working on that? Like if you know this is true, whatever I'm saying, the Quran is a true book, then why you are not making your home in Jannah? Why you are not worried? Why you are not working hard to make your place in Jannah? To sometime when we want to go in some functions, we buy the ticket in advance, right? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say, why you are like Allah is surprised, like Allah is thinking, like Allah is saying to us that why you are not worry about going in Jannah if all these things gonna happen, if all the people will get the punishment, if they will be in in the Jahannam, and all the Jannah people will get good things. So why you guys are not worry, working hard to go in Jannah? Why you are doing other stuff, right? And the last ayah. So again, this last ayah was also I didn't explain, I think. Uh, so inshallah, add this in your notes. Inna anzarnakum azaban qariba. The people, when they will see the non-Muslims, when they will see this punishment very near. يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا. Ya laytani means, oh my god. Kuntu turaba means I were dust. Okay. So actually what gonna happen at the day of Qiyamah, when everyone will be standing in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So every single creature will be there. Okay, keep this in mind. Every single creature will be there. Human will be there, animals will be there, and jinns will be there. Every single creature will be there. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be calling one by one to all of them. So let's suppose if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala called a goat, okay, a goat who hit his horns to another goat. So Allah will call the goat and Allah will ask, like, why did you hit another goat? And whatever answer the goat will give, it's written in the book that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask the animals, ask the goat, okay, you convert yourself into dust. And the goat will become dust. Okay, the goat will transform into dust. So when human will be standing there and they will be watching, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is calling all the animals. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking questions, why you did this, why you did that. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking them to transform yourself into a dust and they become dust. There is no Jannah Jahannam concept for them. They are not getting any kind of certificate that you are going in Jannah or Jahannam. So the non-Muslims who were standing there at that time, they will start saying, Ya laytani, oh Allah, why we are now, why you didn't make us animals? If we will be animal, we will be also become a dust, and we will not be waiting for our certificate, because they knew that they will get the certificate of Jahannam. Of course, they are non-Muslim, so they cannot get the certificate of Jannah. So they knew now that they are not going in Jannah. So that is why they wish that I were dust. Okay, just like an animal, because animal were transforming themselves into dust after the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is why they were asking that, oh Allah, oh Allah, make us dust. Okay, so this was the review of Surah Naba. It took so long time. I was thinking we will wind up in few minutes, and then inshallah we will start the new thing. So I'm not gonna start Surah Naziat today. Okay. So inshallah revise this surah for the test for next week. Okay. I have reviewed the surah with you guys, and I will prepare the questions the same like I asked today. Okay. So inshallah, prepare yourself for Surah Naba. I just don't want that we started one surah and move on to the other, move on to the other, move on to the other, and then you don't have any concept about any surah. Okay, I just don't want that. Okay, so inshallah, revise the surah for your test. We have already done the review in the class, so make yourself ready for the test, and then inshallah, I will give you the test to write, and then we will inshallah start the next surah Naziat. Okay, surah Naziat is very important. In the start, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us how the angels grab our soul from our body. Okay, how the angels grab our soul from the body. Okay, so inshallah we will do in the next class, but today because as we have 15-20 minutes, so inshallah we will do a little grammar today. So give me a second. Okay, so when we talk about the grammar part, Quran is basically divided into three things. Okay, one conversation is called Ghayab, absent. Okay, Ghayab, absent. And listen carefully because I will ask you to write this in your PDF. Okay, but not in the same one. Create one more PDF for the grammar. Okay, absent people. Ghaib means absent. He's not present. He is absent. Okay, he's ghaib. Okay, in Urdu we say he's ghaib. In Arabic we say he's ghaib. Okay, so one is about the absent people. Okay, Quran mostly talk about three kind of people. One is the people who are not present. People who are not present. Who are not present. Okay, not present in front of you when you are talking. Okay, let's suppose your brother, he is in another room, so you are talking about him. Okay, so sometime Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks in Quran when the people are not present there. Sometime Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks about the people who is present in front of you. Okay, present in front of you. And sometime Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks about the people who are talking by themselves. Speaker. Okay, speaker. And a speaker are of two types. Okay, so speaker, first understand there are three type of people. Okay, one who is not present in the conversation, but we are talking about that person, but he's not present there. Okay, let's suppose Armab is absent and I'm asking to Arush, where is she, and did she finish her homework, but Armab is not there, so she will count in absent people. Okay, ghaib people. Okay, the one who is present, let's suppose Kamil is present here and I am saying, Kamil, did you finish your homework? So there is I'm talking with a present person. Like the speaker sometimes talks with a person who is not present, and the speaker sometimes talk about the person who is not present. Okay, and one is a speaker. Is this concept clear to all of you? Quickly answer me. Is this concept clear to all of you, or you have any question?
Clear.
Clear.
Afan and Shamil.
Clear.
Armab.
Clear.
Armab.
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So Arush explained me one time this, and then inshallah I'll give you another concept.
So when you're talking about someone that's not here, so like just like the example you use, we use what does that say?
Ghaib. Ghain. Ghain alif ba ya ba. Ghaib. Okay. Ghaib.
Yeah, so we call that the absent point.
Okay. If I'll explain this in more easy way, then you can understand in this way that speaker, if I'm talking, let's suppose I'm a speaker. Okay, I'm talking. So I will be having two scenarios in front of me. Either I'm talking about the person who is present, or I am talking about the person who is not present. Is this clear now? Present and not present. Is this clear now? Is this concept clear?
Yes.
But the order in Arabic is little different. Okay, first we talk about the person who is not present, then we talk about the order who is present, and then in the end we talk about about the speakers. Okay, clear? That's why I was writing in that way, not present first and then present and then speaker. Now you explain. Yes, I'm asking one by one to everyone. Okay, yes. because this is the basic concept in the Quran. There are only, Allah is talking, Allah is the speaker in the Quran, and sometimes Allah talks about, the present people, and sometimes Allah talk about the people who are not present. So when you are learning the translation, it is very important to understand the concept. If Allah is talking about this person, he is present, or he is not present. So this concept is very, very, very important to understand in Quran. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Arush.
Do I talk about the speaker?
No, everything. Let's explain the entire concept.
Okay, so when we talk about the present, we use the letter ha.
Ha? No. Just tell. I'm not saying ha, he, who. Okay. I'm just asking who is a speaker, who is the person who is not present, and the person who is present. Like, just explain this. What is on the
Oh, okay. Okay, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the speaker,
Yeah.
and
It's
the
not
noun.
only Allah is a speaker. Sometimes the speaker will be Musa alayhi salam. Sometimes the speaker will be Firaun. Sometimes the speaker will be Isa alayhi salam. Sometimes the speaker will be anyone else. Okay. So not only Allah, but anyone could be a speaker in the Quran. Okay. Anyone, like if let's suppose you are reading Ana Rabbukumul Ala. Who said this in Quran? Ana Rabbukumul Ala, I am the Lord. Who said these words? Firaun. Okay. Firaun said, I am the Lord, right? So who was the speaker in this ayah? Firaun is the speaker. Okay. He is saying these words. Okay. So the only concept, keep in mind, sometime you will see three things. Okay. So just Okay, so open the sheet. It's better, right, rather than spending time here. We will write this on the sheet. Okay. So Kamil, can you please create one sheet and share with all?
Like an entire new sheet.
An entire new sheet for grammar. Yeah, because I don't want to make the translation and grammar together.
Okay, I'm gonna send it to everyone. Can everyone send their emails?
All of you, please type your emails in the
Okay,
chat so
I
he can.
sent it to. I think I sent it to everyone. Tell me if you didn't get it.
Okay, Arush, Armab, and Ujba, Afan, and Shamil. Quickly check.
Yep, I sent it to every.
Got it? Afan, you are completely missing from the class. Are you there?
Yep. I didn't get it.
Pushba, write your email address in the chat. The one who didn't get it, quickly write your email address. And Kamil, you open and share the screen.
Okay.
Okay. So like make 3 columns.
Wait a minute. What do you mean by 3 columns?
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute.
I invited you to it. You can do it if
Okay.
you want.
So just make a line. Okay. Just make a line like an Excel file. Okay. And then write here Ghayab 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 Hazir Mutakalim Meme. Okay. Mutakalim. Mutakalim means speaker. Speaker. Okay. Hazir, present person. Okay. The one who get the sheet, start writing in the sheets, okay? And absent person. Absent person. Got it? Okay. So I'm closing the screen from here. And Kamil, you share the screen and then you guys start writing and I'm watching. Ruth Sharma, you get the file?
Yeah,
This
we're
is
on it.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So Kamil, right here on the right side.
yeah,
First, always the person who is not present. Okay,
not present.
not present, and in the column below. No, in the column below, below.
Oh,
Right, present person, and one more box, one more row at the back, down.
I'll have to make another one.
Yeah, join it.
I don't think wait, let me
Okay,
remove
no problem. It's fine. It's fine.
I could make it like this.
No, we just need 3.
Oh, only 3? Okay.
We just need 3.
There you go.
That's it. Yeah, good. So first write over here. Yes, present person. Sorry, not present person. Present person. And the last one is a speaker. Okay, and beside over here, explain it. What does the not present person mean?
I
The
do not
person,
present. Like
the
they're not
person,
here.
yeah, the person who is not present in the conversation. Okay, who is not present. Very good. If you have got the file, then start writing. Like just don't only depend upon the. Okay, who is present? Very good. And third, speaker means
The person speaking in the conversation.
very good. The person who is speaking in the conversation. Very good. Now go down and add the same box at the bottom one more time, so we
How
can
many?
add the next explanation about it.
How many?
3. In Arabic, it will always go 3. Okay. So, not present person. First, write not present person.
Oh, we're over here again.
Wherever you want to. Yeah. Not present person, and a speaker. Now we will write the Arabic name of this. Okay. So, not present person is called Ghayab. So, you can write Ghayab. Ghayab. Okay. So, present person is called Hazir. 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 And the speaker is called Mutakalim. Mutakallim. Mutakalim. Very good. Okay, I am. Okay. So is this concept clear to all of you?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So stop sharing the screen for a second and inshallah let me explain the next. Okay, is it clear to all of you? I am only getting answer from Kamil. Shamil, Afan, Ujba, or Sharma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
Very good. Okay, so now look here. First, we will talk about the ghayab, absent person. Okay, so absent person are always, they divide in the category of 3. Okay, so the absent person are basically 6. Okay, the I'm not okay. I think I should erase this first. Okay, Absent person are 6. Okay. How they are 6 in detail. Okay. Let me. But I think it's more easy if I'll tell you and you guys can write on the sheet. Okay. So it will be more easy, right? Okay. Kamil, you share the screen again and I'm stopping from here. Yeah. You share your screen. Okay, go down and give heading not present, Ghayab, and slash not present person.
Okay.
Yeah, main heading. Okay,
And
not
put it in
present.
brackets.
Yeah, not present person, not present, Ghayab. Very good. Okay, because you have to learn the word Ghayab. Okay. Okay, now go down.
Okay.
Okay, and create this sheet one more time with 6 column, with 6 row, not column. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Okay, so one is you can write here one person right here. Yeah, where your cursor is. Write one person. One person. In the bracket, write men. Men. M-A-N.
Oh man.
M-A-N. Yeah. And now go in the second one. Write two people or two person. No, 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 not here. Not here. At over here down. Two people. Two person. Men. Three person.
Wait. Okay.
Okay. Three person. Men. Three people. Men. Three or more than three. Three or more than three.
More
More
than
than three. Very good. More than three people, men. Okay. That is Ghayab. And now talk about the girl. Okay. The woman. Okay. So tell me what will be the category now. You can think by your own. Wishba. Wishba, you say and Kamil is typing.
One person.
One person.
Can I go to the washroom?
Okay. One person what? Girl.
Female.
Good. And then
And then two people, female.
female. Yeah. Very good. And then
And then more than three people, female.
okay. So what do you understand with this? That the ghaib is divided into two. Okay. Two categories. Men and female. And female are of in because Arabic counting is not like in English counting we have singular and plural, only two things, right? But in Arabic we have three. I have explained this earlier, right? It has in Arabic it has three: one person, two-person, and more than two-person. Okay, like singular, plural, but there is something in the middle that is dual. Okay, so in Arabic, dual is count as a separate thing. Okay, that is why we are writing two people as well. Okay, so one people, two people, the one person, man or male, two-person, male, or three-person, or more than three-person male. Okay, in the same way. So Arush, now you are telling for the present people who are Hazir. So give one more heading, Kamil.
yeah.
Yeah, present people.
Okay.
And instead of Ghaib, write here Hazir. Hazir. Okay, so Arush and Arbab. Now you quickly tell and he's writing. So the same box is
Oh. Wait, it wasn't supposed to be like that.
Okay, yes. Yes, Arush, start saying to him.
Yes.
Yes. Start saying to him what to write. It will be the same category as above, okay?
For present?
For present, okay? The same category as we did for the absent people, same for the present people.
One person, man.
Very good. So I'm going to start writing yes.
Two people, men.
Very good.
More like more than three people, men.
More or three people, men.
One person, female.
Very good.
Two people, female. And three people, more than three people, female.
More than three people, female. Very good. Okay, right. Female, female, female. Very good. Okay, now go down, and what we learned, the third category is speaker category, right? So go down and then write speaker. Speaker. Good. So speaker has only two categories, okay? So make two boxes. Mutakalim. Very good. Speaker has only two categories. Okay. So one is me, more than like me. If I talk myself, okay, one person. It include everyone, like male and female, right? Male and female. Of course, either the male person will be talking or the female person will be talking, right? Male and female. And in the second category, two person or more than two person.
We're more than two person.
No, two and more than two, right? Both things. Two and more than two, because it's joined the category, okay? Two people, male and female. Male and female. Very good. So now tell me, is it hard to understand or easy?
Easy.
Easy. Okay. So who wants to explain this one time
I'll explain it.
from the beginning? Who?
I'll do it.
Okay. Go ahead.
So
Yeah.
from up here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so non-present is someone that's not present in the conversation.
Mm-hmm.
A present person is someone that's present in the conversation. Speaker is just the person speaking in the conversation. And the Arabic version is non-present is Ghayab.
Ghayab. Ghayab.
Ghayab.
And put a dash in after a, so it will be easy to pronounce. Dash. Yeah. Ghayab.
Ghayab. And then
And put
present
a dash
person,
between h after a. Hazir.
Hazir.
Hmm?
And speaker is
And write a muta, yeah, mu dash muta kal, and then one more l, kal and lim, kal and lim, mutakalim. Yes. Now explain.
Wait, I can put it this, but like, wait.
Arabic
do
terms.
this.
Yeah, Arabic terms. Yeah.
Okay.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah. So now on the non-present part, if it's one person, that's a man. Two people, men. More than three people, men. One person for female is female. Two people, female. More than three people, female. And the ones that are present, it's the same thing. One person, man. Two people, men. More than three people, men. One person, female. Two people, female. More than three people, female. Speaker, Mutakalim, one, yes, two. One person, male and female. Two or more than two people, male and female.
Very good. Arush, you are saying something?
So how much longer we have to go soon?
Okay, we are done. We are done. I was just okay. So this is this this chart which we have created. This is the pillar of understanding the Quran, the meaning. Okay, so whatever whatever you will see in the Quran, it falls in this category. Either they will be the speaker, or they will be the absent people, or they will be the present people. If they will be the speaker, either they will be 1%, 2%, or more than 2%. If they will be the absent people, either they will 1%, 2%, or more than 3 people. If they will be the present people, they will 1% or 2% or 3%, and they divide into further category into male and female. 1% male, 1%, 2% male, or 3 more than 3%. So this is the entire pillar of the of the Quran. Okay, and this is called this if you understand very well, then it will be very easy to understand when Allah is commanding someone, when Allah is requesting someone, when Allah is whatever Allah is saying. Either Allah is talking about present, Allah is talking about past, everything falls in this category if you understand this nicely. Okay, so inshallah we will keep the Quran class till here. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi.
Subhanallah wa bihamdi.
Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika.
Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta.
Nashhadu an la
أشهد أن لا
ilaha
إله إلا أنت
Nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.
nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.
Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun.
Subhana rabbika
سبحان ربي رب العزة عما يصفون
Wassalamun alal mursaleen.
سلام على المرسلين
Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
والحمد لله رب العالمين.
So next week homework is test of Surah Naba, and you have to revise this chart. Okay, the Arabic chart. Okay, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.